We're going to have a look at factorising, and specifically today we're going to have a look at how to factorise, specifically looking for a common factor. Mathematics is all about the doing and undoing of things. For example, if we know that 5 times 4 is 20, well, that means we know that 20 divided by 4 is 5, the doing and the undoing. Okay, and if we think back to some kind of bog standard examples here, if I just delete this, if we know that, for example, if we've got a bracket 5 times x plus 4, if we were to multiply out, that would become 5x plus 20. Okay, but what if we were given this situation here? What if we were told that we've got 5x plus 20 and we want to work out what did we multiply out to get there? See this expression here? This is what's referred to as it being in factorised form. Factorised form means essentially that we've got terms multiplying each other. Usually we see brackets involved when things are factorised. Okay, we'll have a look at a few examples on how to factorise. So please just take a wee note of this. So we're just going to write down factorise the following. Okay, number 1. Let's imagine we had 6y minus 18. Okay, so factorise essentially means put the brackets back in. Factorise means what did we multiply out in order to get this answer? Okay, so what we have to do is we need to have a look at our two terms. I'll just change this to yellow. Okay, we've got a 6y and an 18. And we need to ask ourselves, what is the highest common factor of 6y and 18? What is the biggest number that goes into 6 and 18? In this instance it's 6. So therefore 6 goes outside of the bracket. Now that we know that 6 goes outside of the bracket, we need to think about what needs to go inside of the bracket in order for that to be the answer. Okay, so 6 times something. Okay, so I would do 6 times something would give me 6y. Okay, so therefore this has to be a y. And then we're subtracting. 6 times something is 18, which is going to be 3. So it's 6y minus 3. You can always check your answer, because see if you take your final answer, see if you multiply it out, 6y minus 18. If you multiply it out and you get back to the question, then you know you're good. Okay, so this is the same as this, so therefore I know I'm correct. Okay, let's have a look at another example. Let's go for 25y plus 10x. Okay, so that's the answer. What's the question? I want to factorise this, I want to put brackets back in. So what I need to do is I need to look at my two terms here, my 25y and my 10x. I need to think about what's the highest common factor of 25y and 10x. What's the biggest term that goes into both? Okay, and hopefully we can see the biggest term that goes into both is 5. Okay, so 5 times something is 25y. Therefore it's going to have to be 5y. And then plus 5 times something is 10x, therefore it's going to have to be 2x. Okay, you can always check if you're right here. We just do the check at the side, so we've got 5 bracket 5y plus 2x. If we multiply this out, we should get the original question, 25y plus 10x. That's exactly what we were looking for.